In this video I will show you how to replace the heater blower motor on Ford Focus. Step number 1. Park the vehicle on a level surface. Engage the emergency brake and place blocks in front of and behind the rear tires for safety. 2. Open the front passenger side door and remove the triangular side molding shown on the screen using a plastic pry tool. Insert the tip of the tool into the joint and pry it outward to release it. 3. Remove the Torx screw securing the glove compartment on the side using a number 25 Torx screwdriver or T25 socket and a ratchet. 4. Open the glove compartment and remove the 2 screws shown on the screen using a number 25 Torx screwdriver or T25 socket, as shown on the screen. 5. Remove the 2 screws holding the glove box in place at the bottom on each end using an 8 mm wrench. 6. Remove the 2 remaining screws holding the glove box in place at the bottom using a Torx screwdriver or socket, respectively. 7. Once all the screws are removed, proceed to remove the glove box completely by pulling it outward with your hands. 8. Release the base or fuse box by pressing down on the 2 end locks at the bottom of the panel and simultaneously pulling it outward until it is released. Once released, partially pull the panel down to create space and gain better access. 9. Next, release the retainers holding the wires to the base or plate of the electrical panel using a small flathead screwdriver. Insert the tip of the screwdriver into the junction point and pry it outward until it is completely released. At the same time, remove the 3 nuts securing the plate shown on the screen using a ratchet and a 10 mm socket. Once free, place the plate on its side. 10. Next, disconnect the electrical plug from the air conditioning actuator by pressing inward on the connector lock with your hand and pulling outward simultaneously until it is completely released. 11. Remove the actuator duct or airflow distributor and the 3 screws holding it together using a long screwdriver, an extension, or a Torx tip socket, as shown on the screen. Note that the top and bottom screws are not easily visible, and you will need to remove them using the image shown on the screen as a guide. 12. Once the screws are removed, proceed to remove the duct by simply pulling it out with your hands. 13. Next, open the driver's side door of the vehicle. Disconnect the electrical plug from the blower motor located slightly to the right and above the accelerator and brake pedals. Press inward on the connector lock and pull outward simultaneously to completely disconnect it. 14. Release the blower motor by pressing inward on the retaining lock and turning the motor clockwise 45 degrees to release it. Note, for convenience, use a second person to rotate the damaged blower motor from the passenger side. Once free, remove the damaged blower motor completely by pulling it out by hand. 15. Install the new blower motor in its original position in the reverse order of removal, ensuring it fits properly. 16. Once the new blower motor is installed correctly, connect the electrical plug in its original position and press it into the connector to ensure that it fits properly. 17. Install the duct or airflow distribution box in its original position in the reverse order of removal, ensuring the screws are tightened firmly. 18. Install the airflow distribution actuator electrical cable in its original position and press it into the connector, ensuring it fits properly. 19. Install the electrical panel base plate in its original position, ensuring the nuts are tightened firmly. Similarly, install the cable retainers in their original positions. 20. Next, install the electrical panel in its original position, ensuring it fits correctly. 21. Install the glove compartment in its original position in the reverse order of removal, ensuring the screws are tightened firmly and proceed to install the side dash cover in its original position. That's how simple it is to replace the heater blower motor on Ford Focus vehicles.